My superstars, I was at the fish market worker side, and then it dawned on me that hey, there are a few people who do not know how to process fish, especially catfish, in such a way that when it is cooked, it does not scatter, it stays together while it is being cooked. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few tips on how you can cut, wash, and then cook your catfish. These are the catfish we'll be processing. I have bought them from the market and now I'll be taking them home to show you guys. Okay, so first we'll cut the fish into sizable portions. My superstars, see how I'm cutting the fish like a jepako. Actually, the knife was not sharp. The cutlass was not sharp. So I couldn't cut it precisely like I should. And most times the fish is being caught in the market. So, but I just needed to bring this so I can show you, my superstars, how a fish is being caught and processed at home. So bear with me and don't laugh, my superstars. I said don't laugh. Okay, so first I cut off the fins of the fish. The fish has some sharp things on its body as fins, so I cut them off. Based on the size of the fish, after cutting out the head, I divided the body into three parts. The process went on and on until I cut all the fishes I bought into the basin. When I was done with the cutting, I removed the intestines from the fish and removed some things I didn't want from the head of the fish and threw them away. Next, I sprinkle salt into the bowl of fish. Before now, I had boiled water. Then I pour in the hot water into the bowl of fish. After pouring it in, I make sure all the parts of fish is well touched by the hot water. You don't leave it in the hot water for long so the fish doesn't scatter. You pour the hot water out. So I poured mine back into the pot because I didn't want to pour it in that environment so it doesn't smell and attract some things like snakes. So I poured it into the pot, then I'll go and dispose the water. After disposing the hot water, I had poured in cold water. The cold water made the body of the fish shrink and become firm immediately. Then I now poured it out and disposed it. Next is you start scrubbing out the slime from the surface of the skin. This hot water makes the slime that was on the skin of the fish become removable. So you scrub it gently out with the knife. Next, we wash our catfish with water, and voila, our catfish is ready for cooking. Okay, my superstars, if there's anything you didn't understand in the course of this video, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until our next video, I love you.